has to declare that this is the discipline law, the most successful branch. Right? I don't want to hear any voice. Right? There is something useful for you all because you know very well I am not so superstitious. Right? This is just like it is very important to our life because this is important for the future generations mostly than the generations what we are in. Right? We have been transferring so much of energy we got from our ancestors. There are some energy is blocked in this chain. Right? So this is particularly I would like to introduce the world renowned person because with the appearance we don't know anything. But when you see Sabyasachi and all, oh, he is fashion designer. Yes? So when you have some marriage functions, you can see so many models or you can see so many designers designing your clothes, right? But he is head of all the designers. He is Dr. Satish Sikha. But now he is only with few pair of clothes. Why? Yeah. I was interviewing him right from morning when he came to the campus. I want to know the secret why he has left everything. The last designer cloth what he has designed, he sold out for 1.2 crores. It's not thousands. It's not hundreds, it's not thousands, it's not lakhs. Right? It's in crores. The last, actually I want to show everything on the screen. You can Google Dr. Satish Sikha. Right? He has been going round throughout the world. It's not possible if you stand like this, you come here and say, come. Come. Because we have something now to do. Everybody who are standing there, you have to be in eye contact with Dr. Sawalia. Which will be very helpful, which is not given from your parents also. Right now he is going to open up the channel which is closed and blocked in the chain of your ancestors. Right? Know the secret. You know many will be coming. It's not the teachers who are here now. Right? You have some guru like your ancestors, right? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. So now he is going to tell you the secret why the energy and how to release that energy also to your generation, and you are going to be an example for your future generation. You know very well, COVID is an example where we can see so many getting out of the right world. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. So Anita, we are going to see in future days. Our generation is not going to be there at that time. Right? So this is like he is an experienced person in everything who is carrying. What is this? I thought this is just an idol of small weight. You know, I came down, carrying that. You know, I thought that it would be of less weight, but it's totally heavy weight. So he will tell you everything. You just be, if you can be calm enough, it will be helpful for you. Okay, Nana? He will tell and he will tell you and he will release that your ancestors' energy and see that it is passed to your generation. Okay, Nana? So be with yourself. Don't talk to your friends or don't talk to anybody. You just be with yourself for some time. Then you will know the importance of yourself. Right? Dr. Sikha sir, can you continue now? You don't want mic? Oh my God. He is so lean, right?
Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. I thank God and I confirm and I strongly believe Ganapati is there in each and every one of you. That is why he is here and I am just following Ganapati here. This is what is happening wherever I go. What I observe is this. So you are all very blessed children and you have to feel very fortunate also. And the reason why we are here is we want miracles to happen in our life, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
We want miracles, we want wonders.
Sika sir, 1 minute. Nana, there are so many religions, right? This is not based on any one religion. This is the World Peace Campaigning, what he is doing. It's only to pour the positive vibrations, just that. Right, sir? This is the first introduction what you need to give because there are so many Muslims and Christians also over here.
So miracles happen to everyone and we have to make it happen. How? How do we make the miracles happen? You know, your parents, our parents give us home to stay, clothes, food, and fees, or many things they can give you. They all can be touched. But we need their energy also. We need their positive energy to be passed on to us. Irrespective of the religion, everyone, in every way it says that parents are the one which we should take blessings. So what we do is, how Ganapati has proved that going around his parents, how things impossible, how he showed it possible. So same way what we do is, we have been miracles in our life, so we want the energy from our forefathers, our ancestors, like our grandparents, great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents and so on. And that is only possible through one channel, that is our parents. Correct?
Yes,
so what we do is, when we get up in the morning every day, we first should think of our mother, then our father, then our ancestors, then our teachers. Correct? Teachers also important. Acharya Devo Bhava. So teachers, and then you start your day. Like this, after today, do it for 41 days. And then see what difference brings in your life, in your prosperity. Whether you like your parents or not, this is the way. It depends on your prosperity, is with your parents' blessings. The reason why I am here, it happened with me. Many miracles happened with me and still happens every day almost. And all those I am coming through in my life journey, including our volunteers, they all faced many miracles. So here I can see each and every one of you, how you are going to prosper in the coming years. So this is a small thing which we all know how we all take blessings from our parents. But doing every day makes a big difference. So Ganapati, he's on a world tour. He's going around the world with prayers from and blessings to 1 crore devotees. And after that we'll be reaching at the Arctic Ocean and top of our planet, North Pole. First time ever in the history of any yuga, we're going to have Ganesh Chaturthi at the Arctic Ocean. And after that it will be immersed in the Arctic waters. So you all agree, right? There's never ever anything ever happened, anything like this. So now, everyone's energy together, this is for world peace. We want the world to be in peace. We want the world to be, and we and our children to be healthy and happy and with a good positive energy. So what we do here is, what we require for a successful completion of Kodi Ganapati Mahayajnam, we need a simple thing which we all going to do together. First we're going to think of our mother, then father, then your teachers, Then we're going to do Om 3 times. We all should be very proud that our ancestors have said Om, and then recently NASA also said the sound, natural sound between the planets is Om. So we will say 3 times and Om Dham Ganapate Namaha for 9 times. Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Now, yes. If you have in other religions, if you have any objections or anything, please feel free from your heart. I have a foundation here in Hyderabad, 90 Million Smiles Foundation. I have all religions in my foundation, and some of the other religion, they write their father name, my name. So everyone are equal for me. My religion is only one religion. Whoever my eyes can see, my ears can hear, I will do my best for them to be healthy and happy. That is my religion. So anytime any one of you, any help required or in need, one message away from me, I am anywhere in the world, I will be there. As a father, as a brother, I will be there, and I will make sure that you are healthy and happy. This is my word and this is my promise. And now, if you don't want to do it, you don't need to do it. Those who want to do it, you can do it. And thinking mother, father and teachers, I think everyone can do it. But whatever it is, if you want to do, you can do it. Otherwise, I respect each and every one of you who doesn't want to do it also. Everyone are equal for me. Is it all clear, please?
Yes, sir. We'll do one thing. Om will be chanted by everyone. Coming to Gam Ganapate Namaha, whenever, if you don't want, right? You just go with Om, right? And rest of you can go with what, sir? So, what do you say for this?
It's up to you, absolutely.
Okay, Nana? Yes.
Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You can be quiet, like Om or Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, you can be quiet. And you can think of your parents or whoever you want to think, you can think of them. Even more powerful. All religions, power, energy we require. It's for everyone's good. Yes? Thank you. Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your body straight? Close your eyes. Those who want to put hands together, they can put your hands together.
Okay, those who are standing also, start doing the things.
It's
Even
for
by standing, you can do the things.
in standing also. Put
And
keep,
hold your hands together to the divine power what you want, right?
close your eyes. Think of your mother. Think of your father. Think of your teachers. Now we all together say Om 3 times. You repeat after me. Om Gham Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gham Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gham Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Om Gham नमः
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः
ॐ